Good.
Okay,
Great
Kada,
evening. It's
you can start. Hare Krishna. Start with Guru Shlokam.
డాడీ బర్త్డే అని తీసేసి
Puranam Alayam
బర్త్డే
Sham
start.
Bhagavad-pada Sankaram Logam Parupam Vyamohat Staritar Nyayamene Sindhoho Ramanujasya Charanau Sharanam Prapatye Ramanuja Dayapatram Dhyana Vairagya Bhushanam नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि घोर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Can everyone go on mute now? I think there's so much noise. Okay. Okay, fine. Keep your videos on, Karna. Everyone, please keep your videos on. Okay. Fine. Okay, now, so it has been a long time. Have you been practicing all the bhajans? What were the bhajans that we were singing? Tell me.
By
What were the bhajans that we were singing?
जय जय देवा तुमक चलत रामचंद्र.
Very good. Kritika, can you sing Jai Jai Deva?
ओके माता जी. I should start माता जी.
Start करना. जय जय
जय
देवा.
जय देवा जय जगन्नाथा जल जलोचना जय जनार्दना देवकी
देवकी भाला
दीनवत्सला
देव पालका भानवांतका
नंदकुमार
नवनीत चोरा नीरद वर्णा. Very good.
प्रणतरक्षका प्रेमिकार्चिता पद्मसंभव
प्रमुख पूजिता.
जय जय देवा जय जगन्नाथ
जल जलोचना जय जनार्दन. Okay. Saishri, can you try? Will you try this one? Dumak Chalata.
Yes.
Dumak
चलतु रामचंद्र बात पहलिया किलकी किलकी उठतदाय
किलकी किलकी उठतदाय
किलकी किलकी उठतदाय
गिरत भूमि लटपटाया
गिरत भूमि लटपटाय.
दाया मात सिंह. हाँ.
Ma'am, guys, जय जय देवा.
Okay, sing जय जय देवा.
जय जय देवा जय जगन्नाथा जलय लोचना जय जनार्दना देवकी बाला दीनवत्सला देव पालका दानवंतका
कुमारा. हाँ.
नवनीत चोरा
नीरद वर्णा
नीरदवर्णा निर्मला कला
करा
निर्मला कला प्रणत रक्षका प्रेम काचिता पद्म संभवा प्रमुख पूजिता जय जय देवा जय जगन्नाथा जलय लोचना जय जनार्दना.
Very good. Okay. So now, Ritvika, Ritvika, can you sing something? Any bhajan?
Mataji,
Wait, Satvik, if they don't, okay, 1 minute. You're not, okay, I'll come to you. Just give me 1 minute. Ritvika, any bhajan can you sing? Any of you? Prayukta or Ritvika? Is it audible, Kana? Am I audible to you? Ritvika and Pratyukta? Prayukta, sorry. Unmute, unmute. Am I audible? Very good. Can you sing any bhajan? Not even one bhajan? You have learned so many, right? Hmm?
वरमाली वासुदेवा
Very good.
वरमोहनराधारमण वरमाली वासुदेवा वरमोहनराधारमण शशिवदना सरसितजयना जगन्मोहन राधारमण
Oh, nice.
జయన జగన్మోహన రాధారమణ పార్థవిల్ పల్లి కొండల్ పరమాత్మ రాధారమణ పార్థవిల్ పల్లి కొండల్ పరమాత్మ రాధారమణ வேண்டுவனும் தண்டிதுவாய் ஸ்ரீரங்க ராதாரமண வேண்டுவரம் தண்டிதுவாய் ஸ்ரீரங்க ராதாரமண. Up to there I know, Mataji.
Okay, very good. Next class, next dance also you should learn. Okay. விண்ணையுண்டமாயவனே கண்ணானே ராதாரமணா பக்தர்களின் குறை தீர்க்கும் ஸ்ரீரங்கா ராதாரமணா. That also you should sing. Okay. You're singing nicely only, Kana. You should sing, no? Otherwise, how will you develop your skills? And how will you take Bhagavat Nama? Huh? So you're singing nicely only. Okay. Next class, the other stands also you should sing. Okay. What is your name, Kana? Who is Ritvika here? Who is Prayukta?
I am Praita, she is Ritvika.
So Prayukta sang very nicely. Ritvika, any song? You will sing any song? No. Okay, next class you should sing. Jaya Jaya Deva. Jaya Jaya Deva is a small bhajan, right? Can you listen to Jaya Jaya Deva and come back? Next class, can you sing Jaya Jaya Deva? Okay, fine. Satvik, now you tell me which song do you want to sing?
Mataji, 1 minute.
Okay. Anish, can you start video? I'm not able to see you.
Mataji asking that you can on the video.
That only you skip it. Mobile.
Hello. Okay, who is
Mataji,
speaking? Satvik.
in my phone, video is not coming, Mataji.
Okay, Kana. You'll sing any bhajan, Anish? Okay, Satvik, you tell me what are you going to sing today?
I'll sing Atmarama Mataji. Atmarama Radha Govinda. Which one, Mataji?
Atmarama, you sing.
आत्मारामानन्दरमण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन रघुकुलभूषण राजीवलोचन आदिनारायणानन्त शयन सच्चिदानन्द श्री सत्यनारायण सच्चिदानन्द श्री सत्यनारायण आत्मा रामा आनन्द रमण आत्मा रामा आनन्द रमण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण अच्युत केशव हरिनारायण.
Okay, very good, very nice. Last class, I taught a Rama song. Only two people were there. I think Sai Shri and Vaishnavi were there. Sai Shri, you remember that? That song, do you remember? No, huh? Okay, I'll teach that again. You can sing after me. And then we'll see the story of Srimati Radha Rani, as today is the auspicious day of Radha Ashtami, right? Okay. So now you can. Ha, Kanna.
Rama Kalyanam.
There was one more bhajan I taught you, no? That only one line I thought. It's a full big song. I'll tell you, Kanna, what happens is if there's a small bhajan like Jai Jai Deva, you people are singing. But if I teach you a bhajan like Dumakka Chalata Ramachandra, none of you are able to sing because you have to practice, no? It is a little bit tough. It is Hindi also, it's a Awadhi language or a Sanskrit and all, you're not able to sing. So I'll teach you only small bhajans hereafter, whichever you are able to follow, right? So you can, do you remember? Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Nandana Ram. Right? We'll sing that bhajan, okay? Ayodhya Vasi Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram,
Raghukula Nandana Ram,
Raghukulanandana Ram,
Janaki Jeevana,
Janaki Devana,
Patita Pavana,
Padita Pavana,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Nandana Ram.
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukulanandana Ram,
Very good. Raghukula Nandana Ram,
Raghukulanandana Ram,
Janaki Jeevana, Patita Pavana,
Janaki Devana, Padita Pavana,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Nandana Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Vasi Ram,
Raghukula Nandana Ram,
Raghukula Nandana Ram,
Janaki Jeevana, Patita Pavana,
Janaki Devana, Padita Pavana,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Nandana Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Nandana Ram,
very good. Janaki Jeevana, Patita Pavana,
Janaki Jeevana, Adita Palana,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram, Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram,
Raja Ram Sita Ram,
Raja Ram Sita Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Raja Ram Sita Ram,
Raja Ram Sita Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Raja Ram Sita Ram,
Raja Ram Sita Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Sita Ram Raja Ram,
Ayodhya Vasi Ram, Raghukula Nandana Ram, Janaki Jeevana, Patita Pavana, Rama Rama Jaya Ram.
Ayodhya Vasi Ram,
रघुकुल जानकी जीवन पतित पावन
जानकी जीवन पतित पावन
राम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राम
राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम
राम राम जय राजा राम 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 जय सीताराम
राम राम
हाँ राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम राजा राम
राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम राजा राम
राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम राजा राम
राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम
राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम राजा राम
राजा राम सीताराम सीताराम राजा राम
Can you sing with me now? Ayodhyavasi Ram Raghukula Nandana Ram Janaki Devana Patita Pavana Rama Rama Jaya Ram Rama Rama Jaya Raja Ram Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram Rama Jaya Raja Ram Rama Rama Jaya Sita Ram Raja Ram Sita Sita Ram Raja Ram राजा राम सीता राम सीता राम राजा राम राजा राम सीता राम सीता राम राजा राम राजा राम सीता राम सीता राम राजा राम सीता राम राजा राम सीता राम राजा राम. Okay, very good. This is a small version. Okay, I'll send you the lyrics of the budget. Next class you can try. Okay. Okay. Now we'll learn a small song on Sri Radharani. This song has some difficult words because it's Sanskrit words. Try to listen very carefully and repeat it. I'll send the lyrics after this class. Okay. We'll sing this Radha Bhajan and then we'll see the story of how Sri Radharani was born. Right? मंद मंद चलत
मंद मंद चलत
सुगंध पवना
सुगंध पवना
मंद चलत सुगंध पवना
सुगंध पवना
यमुना तट में प्यारी
यमुना तट में वाली
Okay. What is the meaning, you know? Manda manda chalata. Manda means slow. Manda manda chalata means walk, move. So, slowly walking. Who is walking? Sri Radha. Ah, Manda manda chalata sugandha pavana. Pavana means air, breeze, right? Sugandha means that breeze that smells really good. Good. That smells all jasmines and roses, right? Smells jasmines and roses, how it feels. The breeze with a lot of good smell, right? Sugandha means good smell. Pavana, breeze. Sugandha Pavana, Yamuna Tatme Pyari. Where is Radharani walking? On the banks of
Yamuna.
Yamuna. Very good. On the banks of Yamuna, slowly Radharani is walking, right? And there is nice breeze, which smells so good. Manda manda chalata
मंद मंद चलत
सुगंध पवना
सुगंध पवना
यमुना तट में प्यारी.
यमुना तट में प्यारी
Pyari means Yamuna tat mein, the banks of on the banks of river Yamuna, slowly Radharani is walking, and there's a breeze which carries good smell. And the way she is walking, she looks intensely beautiful, so lovely. So you call Pyari. मंद मंद चलत सुगंध पवना यमुना तट में प्यारी। यमुना तट में प्यारी, यू सी, यमुना तट में प्यारी। हाँ, रिपीट।
यमुना तट में प्यारी,
आनंद बर
आनंद भरा
यहाँ निरतज निरतज
निरत
filled with filled with so much of, anandam, right? Blissfulness. आनंद बर यहाँ नितज निरतज।
आनंद भव नित्य
हाँ. So how come Radha Rani is so happy always, so blissful always? Doesn't she have problems at home? She does. But because she always lives in the consciousness or thinking of Krishna, she always has that bliss inside her, right? Ananda Barayaha Nirataja Nirataja
आनंद भरना निरत
Rasa Vihari
वासव हरि
Rasa Vihari Rasa Vihari
वासव हरि
Vrishabhanu Kumari.
विषभानु कुमारी
Rasa Vihari. Why is she Rasa Vihari? Rasa Leela. Have you heard of Rasa Leela?
Dancing.
Krishna, dancing. Krishna dances with Krishna as a little boy, as an 8-year-old little boy. He dances with all the gopikas, right? So that dance is called Rasa Leela. Who is the main character of this Rasa Leela? Sri Radharani. Krishna and Sri Radharani is the main part of this Rasa Leela. She is the one. See, when someone loves Krishna, that manifestation, that love for Krishna is none other than Radharani, right? People say Radharani looks same as Krishna. If you paint Krishna white, right? Krishna is in which color?
Blackish blue.
Blackish blue. Very good. Perfect. He's blackish. Krishna means darkness, right? But he has a bluish shade. So he's like blackish blue. But Radharani is very fair. Okay. So if you paint Krishna white, right? You make him wear all the jewels and all those things that women wear, and you open up his hair. Then people won't be able to recognize if that is Krishna or Radharani. Right? There's a story that says that when Rukmini Tayar, who is the first wife of Krishna, right? When Rukmini Tayar for the first time saw Radha, she was not able to differentiate between Krishna and Radha. She just felt that this is Krishna himself, just in a white coat, just fair Krishna. So Radharani looks the same as Krishna. So they both are the same. Who is Radharani? Anyone's pure love or pure bhakti or manifestation of love for Krishna, right? That is Radha. So, where were we? We said Rasa Vihari. Who is the main character in the Rasa Leela? Who is the motivation to do the Rasa Leela? That is Sri Radharani. So, the bhajan says, Rasa Vihari Vrishabhanu Kumari. So, Radharani was born in the household, or she was raised by Vrishabhanu. She is Vrishabhanu's daughter. So Vrishabhanu Kumari, whose daughter she is? Vrishabhanu's daughter. Her mother's name for Kritida. Her mother's name was Kritida Devi, and her father's name was Vrishabhanu. So Vrishabhanu and Kritida Devi's daughter is Sri Radharani. So the bhajan says, Rasa Vihari Vrishabhanu Kumari. Repeat. Rasa Vihari Vrishabhanu Kumari. Vrishabhanu Kumari.
विषभानु कुमारी
Rasa Vihari Vrishabhanu Kumari.
रास विभानी विषभानु
Kumari.
Manda Manda Chalata Sugandha Pavana
मंद मंद चलत सुगन
मंद पवन
यमुना तट में प्यारी
यमुना तट में प्यारी
आनंद बर यहाँ
आनंद भरया
नीरतज नीरतज
नीरज नीरज
हरि वृषभानुकुमारी
रास विहारी विशावन कुमारी
रास विहारी वृषभानुकुमारी
रास विहारी विश्व
मन्मथ मोहित
मन्मथ मोहित
महावैभवा
महावैभव
माधव राजा
माधव राधा
परिणय गांधर्व परिणय
गांधर्व परिहर
माधव राधा
माधव राधा
गांधर्व परिणय
आनंद परिहर
संत जनों का नित्य कुतूहल
नित्य कुतूहल
अतुल रसमय
अतुल रसमय
भाव भक्तिमय.
भाव भातिमय.
How is Sri Radharani dancing? With a lot of bhakti, with a lot of bhavam. Bhavam means feelings, right? A lot of love for Krishna, a lot of bhakti for Krishna, right? Atula rasamaya. Rasa means an element of feeling is called as rasa. There are different types of feeling, like anger, like sadness, like happiness, right? These are all called as different rasas. So, Atula means incomparable rasam. Rasam of the feeling of love for Krishna. Atula rasamaya.
Atula rasamala.
Bhava bhaktimaya. Shri Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Priya Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe Krishna.
Shri Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Priya Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Radha Priyamvara.
Radha Priyamvara.
Krishna. Jaya Krishna.
Jaya Krishna.
Radha Priyamvara. Jaya Krishna.
राधा प्रियंवरा जय कृष्ण.
Shri Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Shri Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Priya Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Radha Priyamvara Jaya Krishna.
Radha Jaya Krishna.
Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
Radhe Jaya Krishna Priya Radhe.
Shri Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe. Krishna Priya Radhe.
Priya Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe Krishna.
Krishna Priya Radhe. Krishna Priya Radhe.
Krishna
Radhe.
Krishna Priya Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe Krishna Priya Radhe.
मंद मंद चलत सुगंध पवना. मंद मंद चलत सुगंध पवना.
मंद मंद चलत सुगंध पवन.
वेरी गुड. यमुना तट में प्यारी.
यमुना तट में प्यारी.
आनंद बर यहाँ निरतज निरतज.
आनंद भरतानियत जनियत जन
रास विहारी वृषभानुकुमारी रास विहारी वृषभानुकुमारी मन्मथ मोहित महावैभवा मन्मथ मोहित महावैभवा माधव राधा गांधर्व परिणय माधव राधा गांधर्व परिणय संत जनों का नित्य कुतूहल संत जनों का नित्य कुतूहल अतुल रसमय भाव भक्तिमय अतुल रसमय भाव भक्तिमय श्री राधे कृष्ण प्रिय राधे श्री राधे कृष्ण प्रिय राधे राधा प्रिय हृदय कृष्णा राधा प्रिय हृदय कृष्णा श्री राधे कृष्ण प्रिय राधे श्री राधे कृष्ण प्रिय राधे कृष्ण प्रिय राधे कृष्ण प्रिय राधे. Okay, this is how you should sing. Okay, I'll send the lyrics. We'll learn the song again in the next class also. You'll get it in 2 to 3 classes. Okay. Okay, now let's wrap up on the bhajans. Let's see the story of how Shri Radharani was born. Okay. So where do you think Radha Rani and Krishna stays eternally? Where?
Nepal.
Aye, Nepal.
Uttar Pradesh.
It's not in Bhuloka. What loka it is? See, I'll give you example. Narayana. One second. I'll be back. Sorry. So Narayana in his Aishwarya form of Aishwarya Rupam, right? With Mahalakshmi, he stays in Vaikuntham. And where can you see Shiva and Parvati?
Kailasam.
Very good. Kailasam. Anish is right. Now, similarly, where will you see Lalita Parameshwari? Devi, where will you see? She's in, what is her loka? I have said this before. Manidvipam, right? Manidvipam is the loka of Lalita Parameshwari or Devi, right? Whoever follows Shaktam, whoever sees the Parabrahman as a feminine form, as a Devi herself. So they worship Lalita Parameshwari or Devi, and her eternal loka is Manidvipam. Similarly, Shiva's eternal loka is Kailasham. Narayana's eternal loka is Vaikuntham. So, what is the eternal loka of Krishna and Sri Radharani?
Ayu.
Ayyo, what? Tell.
Ayodhya.
Aye. Ayodhya is Rama's Janmasthalam. Okay.
Dwaraka.
Dwaraka is the city that Krishna ruled. Krishna didn't rule. It was ruled by Krishna's maternal grandfather, right? He was the actual ruler. So Krishna was just the hero of the city. That's all. Okay. Now, so the eternal loka where Sri Krishna Radharani lives is Goloka. Similar to Vaikunta. So Krishna is Narayana, but he's seen as Narayana with Lakshmi in Vaikunta. But where will you see him as Krishna himself? That too with Radharani in Golokam, right? So Golokam, it seems exactly looks like Vrindavanam. Govardhan Parvat is there. Sri Govardhan is there. And there is Vrindavan there. And there is Yamuna there. So Golokam is the place where Krishna and Radharani eternally reside. So there was one very big bhakta of Sri Krishna. His name was Sridama. right? His name was Sridama. So Krishna and Radha were so much in love and bhakti with each other that Krishna always respected Radharani a lot, right? So, but Sridama was very jealous that Krishna liked someone else more than, me. So sometimes some bhaktas, what happens to them is they become very possessive that how come this can be? Krishna is only for me, right? That is not the right intention. So the quality of a true Vaishnava, what is the quality of a true Vaishnava? It's not just that you walk on the path of bhakti to Krishna. It's not that you approach Krishna. You should also help others, attain Krishna. You should also help others progress in Krishna bhakti, right? So pulling a soul out of all these bad activities and other things and putting them into Krishna bhakti is a very big thing, isn't it? Or putting them into any form of bhakti is a very big thing. So that is the true quality of a Vaishnava, right? You should not be possessive or jealous that no, Krishna is only to me. I'll not share my Krishna with anyone. No one can say that because Krishna is Sarvalokeshwara. He belongs to everyone. He belongs to every human being, every living being, insect, birds, trees, plants, people on earth, people on other planets, any living being on any other planet, whatever it is. Krishna belongs to everyone. He's Sarvalokeshwar. But this Bhakta got a little bit distracted from his path of bhakti. That is also Krishna's Leela, right? Sometimes when you get distracted, it's also his Leela. So Sridama, what he did, he became very possessive of Krishna, and he didn't like the fact that whatever he's offering to Krishna in food, for example, the Naivedhyam, all the food that is being offered to Krishna, Krishna is insisting Radharani to have it first, and then he's having the food that Radharani has had. So much so, Krishna loves Radharani because Radharani is nothing but she's a representation of love of every bhakta for Krishna, right? So, but Sridama, who was a nice bhakta of Krishna, because he was possessive, he didn't like this. So he didn't like Radharani a lot. So what he did, he cursed Radharani that you are separating a bhakta from Krishna. You are being a middle stone in between me and Krishna. So you'll go to Bhuloka, you'll be separated from Krishna and live there for 100 years. Right? Now Sri Radharani has to come to Bhuloka from Golokam. Now Radharani was very sad because originally the Sri Govardhan, the mountain, Yamuna, the beautiful river that is running, the land of Vrindavan, which is Vrinda means Tulasi Devi, right? The land which is fully covered with Tulasi and so many beautiful flowers, plants and trees, right? So Vrindavan. Vrinda means Tulasi. A forest of Tulasi is Vrindavan. So this Vrindavan, Sri Govardhan Yamuna and all was there in Golokam only. Now Sri Radharani was very sad that this has happened. Now, if I have to go to Bhulokam, then I'll miss Vrindavan, Sri Govardhan, and Yamuna and all so much. How will I go? So just for her, Krishna had brought the entire Golokam on earth. What is that Golokam on earth? That is the Braj Bhumi or the land of Vrindavan. That Barsana, Vrindavan, all those places nearby, right? So it is said in the Puranas that Golokam in itself was completely transported to earth. So why did Krishna do that for Radharani? Because Radharani said, I am not going to a place where there is no Govardhan, there's no Yamuna, there's no Vrindavan and all that. So now Krishna had brought the entire Vrindavan on land, and Radharani had to be born. So though Sri Rama had given a curse to her, this was Krishna's Leela in itself because without his intention, nothing is going to happen, right? So Krishna had decided that, okay, I'm going to bless people on earth. I'm going to give everyone mukti, right? I'm going to save everyone. And if Krishna comes, will he come alone? No. He'll come with Sri Radharani. So Radharani had to take birth on the Bhuloka, and followed by her, Krishna will come. So whenever Bhagavan comes on earth, right? What is that famous shloka? Everyone will know, right? Yada yada hi dharmasya, who knows? No one. Hmm. Glaनिर्भवति भारत युक्तां नाम अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. हाँ. No one knows the famous shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Okay. So whenever Bhagavan says that whenever there is adharma on the land, I'll come and I'll protect the people from adharma, and I will destroy the adharma and establish dharma on the land. This is what Bhagavan is saying, right? But what is the first intention when he comes? The first intention when he comes is not to destroy the adharma. That is just a byproduct. So when he comes, naturally adharma will get destroyed. The very intention why he comes on Bhuloka, why he comes on land, is to give moksha for his people, is to bless us, to do leela with us. So when Krishna came as a little boy, there were so many gopikas who enjoyed bringing him up as a little boy, feeding him, bathing him, decorating him with all the jewels and all that, playing with him. So there are very few people who get that blessed life to, you know, live every day with Parabrahman himself, right? So when he comes on earth, the first intention is to bless people and give them moksha, give them mukti. And the second intention or byproduct is to destroy them, right? So now Krishna has decided he'll come. And as I said, Radha Rani comes first on the Brajbhumi. So Radha Rani is born. So there is one thing that I have said, a secret about Devi. Whenever either Andal is born, or Sita is born, or Radha Rani is born, is she born or does she appear?
Born.
No. What did he say? How was Sita born? Or how was Sita discovered?
She's daughter of
Janaka.
Janaka is correct. But where did Janaka get Sita?
She is found in a forest.
Janaka was plowing the land because he was the Raja, right? Initial plow he'll do. So he was plowing the land, and while plowing it, he found Sita Mata on the land. So similarly, how was Andal found?
in middle of flowers.
Very good. In middle of plants, Vrindavan kind of flowers, right?
Flowers.
So her father Periyalvar, when he went to the garden to pluck flowers to make a garland for Narayana, for Ranganatha, at that time she was found beneath the Tulasi plant. Ayar comes on earth, right? She is not born because she is Hiranyagarbha. She is the one who carries the entire Brahmanda in her womb. She is the one who gives birth to every living being in the womb, right? Life originates from her. Life starts from her. So one who is the origin of life, how can she be born into someone other's womb, right? She is the origin of life. So she is generally found. So she is found somewhere. So similarly, Radha Rani was also found, and she was taken by Vrishbhanu and Kritida Devi. So they started bringing Radharani up as their own child, and she grew up in the Brajbhumi, which is also called as the Varsana. So there is one other story which is very popular, which people say from the Puranas, that when Radharani was born, right, she never opened her eyes. She kept her eyes closed because they say when she descended from Golokam, so she had to come from Golokam to the Bhulokam. So in Bhulokam, she came to the Barsana, right? Barsana or the Vrindavan. So later they shifted to Vrindavan. I'll tell you that story later. But Barsana, wherever she was found by Vrishabhanu and Kritida Devi, right? When she was born, initially she didn't open her eyes at all. Because in the Golokam, when she was leaving, she said to Krishna that, Krishna, see, even if I go to Bulokam, I'll not open my eyes until you are there in front of me. When I open my eyes, the first person I'll be seeing is going to be you. So Radharani was found on the earth and then picked up and raised by Vrishabhanu and Kritida Devi, but she didn't open her eyes. Her eyes was very closed. So Vrishabhanu and Kirtida Devi, they were very happy that they found this beautiful girl child. But they were also very sad that this little girl child is not opening her eyes at all. So what will we do? So they called a lot of doctors, a lot of people who knew medicine, and they asked them, treat my daughter, give her some medicine. She's not opening her eyes. But Radharani never opened her eyes. Then one Radharani was also born on Ashtami, and then Krishna was also born on Ashtami. Then 1 year later, when Krishna was born on Ashtami, and later when Krishna was brought to Barsana by his mother Yashoda, because Yashoda and Kritida Devi, Radharani's mother Kritida Devi and Yashoda, they were friends. So when Krishna was brought to Radharani, when Krishna was there in front of Radharani, that is when Radharani opened her eyes, right? So this is how Radharani was born on the Bhuloka, right? So this is the story of how Radharani was born. Later, other stories, whenever we are seeing Krishna Lila, right? At that time, we will see. Because today is Radha Ashtami, I just wanted to tell you what happened in Goloka, how Krishna and Radharani lives in Goloka. There are so many Sakis. Sakis means friends of Sri Radharani and friends of Krishna who happily live in Goloka. Radharani's two favorite best friends are Sri Lalita Saki and Sri Vishaka Saki. You can see stories of all Sri Lalita Saki, Sri Vishaka Saki, and all that. So today we saw the story of how Sri Rama was very possessive of Krishna, because of which he gave a curse to Radharani, which is also a Krishna Leela, because of which Radharani descended to the Buloka, the earth, and how the entire Golokam, which is the Vrindavan, Sri Govardhan, and Yamuna, everything was brought from Golokam to earth by Krishna, because Radharani is going to take birth, and how Radharani was found by Vrishabhanu and Kritida Devi, and how she was raised, and how she had her eyes closed, and she opened her eyes only after Krishna was born, and the first person when she saw opening her eyes as a little baby was Krishna, right? This is it. Okay, so uh, today's class will end by chanting some Radha Namam. Okay, you can sing after me, you can chant after me. Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha.
Radha, Radha, chant with me. Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha, Shri Radha, 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 Shri Radha, Shri Radha. Okay, very good. You can keep chanting this name. I'll tell you what is the magic of Radha Rani's name. When you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, that is Krishna's name. Though that name has Radha Rani within it. When you say Hare, right, that is Hare Krishna. Krishna is Krishna. Hare is the representation of Sri Radharani, right? When you say Shriman Narayana, Shri itself means Radha. S-R-A, Shri, S-H-R-A. Shri means Radharani. Shri is the representation of Tayar. It's Radharani, it's Andal, it's Sri Devi, Bhudevi, Mahalakshmi, right? That is representation of her. The magic in her name, right? When you take Krishna's name, Radharani comes running, right? When you take Radharani's name, when you say Ra, Krishna comes running in expectation that you are going to say Da. I said the same thing for one more nama. What is that? What is the similar nama? What is the other nama that starts with Ra? Ra. Radha. Similarly, we have Ra.
Radhe.
Rama. Rama is also something that starts with Ra, no? Similarly, we have Radha.
Ramanama Vembo.
Correct. So, Rama, I told you the meaning of Ramanama. Anyone remembers? Rama. What does it mean? Ra somewhere symbolizes the death. Ma symbolizes birth. Rama, 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 Rama. This is the symbolizes cycle of death and birth, birth and death after each other, right? So the nama that helps you break the cycle of birth and death is Ramanama. And I said, when you say Ra, who comes running in expectation that you are going to say Ma?
Krishna.
I.
Sita.
I.
Radha. Krishna.
When you say Ra, who comes running in the expectation of the next thing you're going to say is Ma?
Ram. Sita will come, I think.
Anjaneya Swami. Who likes Ramanamam the most? There are only two people who like Ramanamam the most. One is Anjaneya Swami, other is Lord Shiva himself. But Shiva is generally busy or he is in his meditation, right? So when you say Ra, Anjaneya is ready. Because I told you one story which tells that the Namam of Bhagavan is powerful than Bhagavan himself. Do you remember that story? There was one king who was protected by Anjaneya, and Rama was trying to. Do you remember the story?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. I remember.
So Rama was
Anjaneya was protecting the king from Rama.
You say?
Then Rama was trying to kill that king. So Anjaneya went to thinking that if I protect that king, I will break my Swami's word. If I not protect that king, I will break my devotee's word.
So how did Anjaneya Swami protect him? He protected by asking him to chant Ramanama.
Ramanama.
Yes,
So
Mataji.
Rama's Nama is more powerful than Rama himself.
Rama.
So whenever you say Rama, who comes running to protect? Anjaneya Swami. So when you say Ra, Anjaneya Swami comes in the expectation, comes running that next he is going to say Rama. Next he is going to say Ma. Similarly, when you say Ra again, on this side, on one other side, Krishna comes running in expectation that next you will say Da. So Radha also means the same, right? So in Rama Avataram, Rama's name himself is the mantram to escape the cycle of birth and death. In Krishna Avataram, what is the mantram? It's Radha. So Radha Rani, so if you want the most best way of bhakti to Krishna is taking Radha Rani's name. If you take her name, he comes running. So when you say Ra, you have two advantages, right? When you say Ra, in one direction, Anjaneya Swami is going to come running because he is expecting you'll say Ma next. He don't know whether you'll say Ma or Da. But one side Anjaneya Swami is coming towards you, other side Krishna is coming. Both are coming anyway, right? So Radha Namam is very similar to Rama Namam, which So in Krishna Avataram, Radha is the namam that helps you break the cycle of birth and death. And when you say Radha, who comes running? Krishna himself comes running. When you say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, he's calling, you are calling him endlessly. But he will first test you a lot. Then if you pass the test, then he'll keep other tests and then he'll come at the last. But if you say Ra, just if you say Ra, he comes running. So by saying Radha, you can make Krishna himself come towards you. So such powerful is the name of Sri Radharani. So keep chanting Radharani's name. Today is Radhashtami. So chant how much ever times it's possible. Right? Okay. Next class we'll see. Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.